Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household ingredient commonly used for baking, cleaning, and personal care. While it is generally safe for most people when used in moderation, excessive consumption or misuse can lead to some side effects. Here are some potential side effects of baking soda. Gastrointestinal issues. Taking baking soda in large amounts can cause gas, bloating, and an upset stomach. This is because baking soda reacts with stomach acid, leading to the release of carbon dioxide and causing discomfort. Electrolyte imbalances. Baking soda is high in sodium, and consuming large quantities may disrupt the balance of electrolytes in the body, leading to issues with heart and muscle function. Hypertension. Excessive intake of sodium bicarbonate can contribute to an increase in blood pressure, which can be problematic for individuals with hypertension or heart conditions. Kidney problems. The kidneys are responsible for filtering out excess substances from the bloodstream, including sodium. Overconsumption of baking soda may put extra strain on the kidneys and potentially lead to kidney problems in some individuals. Alkalosis. Baking soda is obese, and consuming too much of it can lead to a condition called metabolic alkalosis, where the body's pH becomes too alkaline. Symptoms of alkalosis may include muscle twitching, hand tremors, and confusion. Interaction with medications. Baking soda can interfere with the absorption and effectiveness of certain medications, so it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda as a remedy while taking other medications. Skin irritation. Applying baking soda directly to the skin may cause irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. To avoid these side effects, it's best to use baking soda in moderation and as directed. If you have specific health conditions or concerns, it's a good idea to consult your doctor before using baking soda for any medicinal purposes.